Greatness isn't reserved for a select few. It belongs to those who relentlessly chase their dreams, day in and day out. It's a choice, a commitment you make every single morning when you wake up. Aspirations might stem from extraordinary accomplishments, but behind them are often ordinary people who simply refuse to quit. They focus on the small, consistent actions others overlook. It's not about being average. It's about refusing to settle for mediocrity. Think about it. There's someone out there who wants what you have. They hunger for your position, your job, your life. Maybe it's true, or maybe it's not, but if it is, let that drive you. Let it fuel your determination. We're not here because of sheer talent or luck. We're here because of the early mornings, the relentless training sessions, and the countless sacrifices. Obstacles didn't break us. They strengthened us. We don't stop. We don't quit. And we sure as hell don't rest in the middle of the journey. Rest at the end, not in the middle. Those words stuck with me. Resting will come, but not now. Not while there's more to give, more to achieve. My dream isn't just about personal success. It's about inspiring the next generation to dream big, sacrifice deeply, and refuse to rest until the work is done. Why do we fall? To learn how to rise again. And rise we will. Stronger, more resilient, and more determined than ever. Now, do me a favor. Stop being afraid to be yourself. Stop caring about what they say. You have one life. Don't waste it trying to mimic someone else. Social media is full of illusions, of people showcasing a life that's not even real. Don't abandon yourself to chase someone else's shadow. Be unapologetically YOU. Remember, life doesn't stop for excuses. It doesn't care if you're tired or struggling. Whether you've had no sleep or faced personal challenges, the world still expects you to show up. And you must. Because at the end of the day, it's not about proving anything to anyone. It's about proving it to yourself. Look in the mirror. That reflection staring back at you, that's your toughest competition. Not the world, not anyone else, just you. When I was 15, someone asked me, "Who's your hero?" I thought about it and said, "It's Meg in 10 years." When I turned 25, they asked again, "Are you your hero now?" I smiled and said, "Not even close. My hero is still me, 10 years from now. You see, my hero is always ahead of me, challenging me to grow, to reach further, to keep evolving. So why not you? Why can't you be the MVP of your own life? Why can't you be the best at what you do? Embrace the grind. Embrace the pain, the sacrifice, the blood, sweat, and tears. Be the person who thrives in discomfort, who embraces the hard work, who rises even when it hurts. Because you're not here to just exist. You're here to live. And when you believe you deserve it, the universe will serve it.